Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 134 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page at least 5 days a week, sometimes 6, where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read the answers. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, and we put them here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions a day. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can you bring cheese for snacks? Do the boarding passes have to be printed in color? Will the Costa smokestacks be whale tails? Hash browns, baked or fried? And can you please fix the lounge chair hogging problem?
And this is straight from the yak's mouth.
All right, question 1. This cruiser asked if they are allowed to bring things like cheese or dips to go with the crackers and their snacks that they bring on board. They're all items that are bought from a supermarket in the factory packaging, and so it's not like their own thing they're bringing. John said, yes, you absolutely can. We've definitely seen some shelf-stable cheeses. We use, I think it's Laughing Cow at the house, and you buy it on the shelf, not refrigerated. And it says, once opened, refrigerated. It's in a paper package. Or you can use the spray cheese. But yeah, so if you want to bring like different cheeses and stuff like that, make sure they're shelf stable. And yeah, you can bring them on. Factory packaging, you get some cheese for your crackers. Love it. Love cheese. I don't know if you can see that, but it's cheesy. Question 2. This cruiser asked if the boarding passes have to be printed in color. They've never done that before, but on some other group, they said, oh, it has to be printed in color for you to get on board. John said, no, it doesn't. Absolutely does not need to be in color, which is good because colored ink, the last printer we had for a black and white cartridge and the color cartridge was $99 freaking dollars. The black cartridge is like $12, $15 by itself. So you do not have to print your boarding passes in color. So if you like to, you can. If you don't like to, you don't have to. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser asked if there are any future plans to take the Costa smokestacks and make them into the iconic whale tail. So the Firenze and the Venezia are Costa ships that are the Italian style ships now brought to the Carnival brand. John said, no, they're going to stay the way they are. But if you look at them, the Costa ones, I believe, are black, yellow, and white, but they have put the classic Carnival logo on them in the red, white, and blue. So there will not be a whale tail on those ships, but they did paint them differently to discern that they are no longer Costa ships. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to know if the hash browns that they serve in the dining room and the fries at Guy's, are they baked or are they fried? I'm going to read the answer. Fried, John said. And that seems pretty Captain Obvious. But if they were baked or air fried, if you will, that'd be cool. It'll cut back on the calories and the grease and this, that, and the other. But, I mean, we have an Emerald air fryer at the house, the little air fryer thingies. Could you imagine that one on a cruise? They'd have like 50 of them or a massive air fryer oven. So, yeah, simply put, they are fried and they are bleeping delicious. So, keep it the way it is. Love them. All right, last question. This cruiser wanted to know if there are any conversations happening about a way to fix the lounge chair hogging at the pool. They think a simple timer that passengers can set for a maximum time would be a good solution. Maybe like a parking meter. You know, you have to put your time in and boom, and it expires, your chair disappears. That'd be weird. But anyway, John said, it really isn't that simple. There are hundreds of chairs and hundreds of people coming in and out every day. The crew does their very best to stop people from saving seats past the allotted time with stickers and stuff like that, but it is impossible to keep up with it all. So, I mean, I guess the simple solution to this, if you don't plan on being in that chair for the next 10, 20, 30 minutes prior to you putting your towel on there, don't reserve the chair. I think it's that simple. People just need to be nice and not be freaking chair hogs. So if you're one of the people that get up, like Liz is up early, 6 a.m., shooting the videos for the channel, and at 6 a.m., the sun's not even up, and there's 20, 30, 40, 50 chairs that have towels and decorations and this and that other already reserving it. Don't do it. Just be respectful for the people. Yes, everybody wants their pool time. They want their chair time. We're on vacation. Just be respectful about it. Simple, simple solution. That said, this has been episode 134 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.